Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, my fellow teachers, and dear students, a pleasant good afternoon to all of you. DSE Banjara Hills is all set for a grand athletic meet, no less Olympian in its zeal to promote excellence in sports. With anchors away and hearts afire, they sail the seven seas, tame the turbulent waves, and chart the course of history. I am sure you will all agree with me when I say Navy, the wing of armed forces trained to operate at sea, is not just a profession. It's an adventure. It's a way of life, a life of service, of sacrifice and honor, an honor that is bestowed on only those privileged few who will go down in the annals of history for their exemplary contribution towards the nation's empowerment and character. It's our greatest privilege and honor to welcome a distinguished personality who embodies the values of courage, discipline, dedication, and service to the nation. Rear Admiral R. Vishwanathan, who has graciously consented to be the chief guest of our Sports Day today, Esperanza. Rear Admiral Vishwanathan's, now retired, journey of 36 years in the Indian Navy is nothing short of inspiring. An electrical engineer by profession and a specialized submariner, Sir has served in numerous conventional submarines. With his strategic thinking and long-term vision and wide experience heading organizations and projects, he has not only served the nation with distinction, but also has been at the helm of numerous groundbreaking initiatives. From being a key member of the design team of India's first nuclear submarine, INS Arihant, and has head electrical equipment design team in the working of second nuclear submarine, INS Arighat and INS Chakra, to the leading development of electrical and control systems for underwater platforms. His contributions to India's defense capabilities are profound and remarkable. Being the project director of a classified program heading platform manufacturing and high-strength steel development of Naval Dockyard, Sir was also responsible for human resource management and technical administration in the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Apart from his professional achievements, Rear Admiral Vishwanathan has also demonstrated a profound commitment to training and development. As a chief instructor at the Submarine Training School, INS Shatavahana, he has not only imparted technical expertise ranging from basic submarine course to commanding officers course, but also he has instilled in his trainees the qualities of discipline and teamwork. Being India's Deputy Naval Attaché at the Embassy of India in Moscow, Sir has discharged all his professional commitments with extreme professionalism. Acknowledging the values of courage, discipline, and service to the nation, he was awarded the most prestigious Vishishta Seva Medal from the President of India in the year 2019. Dear audience, I would like all of you to give him a resounding applause for adding a feather to the cap of our nation. Indeed, it's a great honor and privilege to have him among us. As we gather here today, let us draw inspiration from Rear Admiral Vishwanathan's journey that exemplifies what is possible when intellect, determination, and an unwavering commitment to progress come together. His presence here today is a reminder that each one of us should contribute in our own special way to glorify our motherhood. As we celebrate sportsmanship today, we are reminded of the fact that the demands of pursuing a sport are akin to rigors of naval training. While a Navy man's resolve is forged in fire of adversity, an athlete's character is revealed in the heat of competition. Both require pushing oneself beyond the limits of endurance. Sir, your journey is a shining example that by imbibing dedication, vision, and hard work, our young champions will surely prove their mettle. A warm welcome to you, dear sir. May I request the audience once again to put their hands together to give a heartfelt welcome to our chief guest of the day, Rear Admiral R. Vishwanathan. Thank you and have a great afternoon ahead.